Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable autoplay videos on Facebook. So right here I'm going to show you how to do that. You have to open your Facebook account on your phone. Once you do that, then you click on the menu icon, then you simply tap at the gear button at the top right corner of the screen. You can see it's beside the search button, so you click on the gear button, then you scroll down, then under privacies, then you click on media, and from here you can see here we find the autoplay option, which is autoplay. So now right here, when you activate, when you enable autoplay, when your battery is low, videos stop playing automatically. So there are things that you need to consider. When your phone battery is low, video stop playing automatically. Also, if you want to autoplay, you can easily set on mobile data and Wi-Fi. So now for you to enable autoplay on Facebook, you have to use these first options, which is autoplay on mobile data and on Wi-Fi. Gonna tap on it, and that's all. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe for more. Thank you.